How to log into Fifth Third banking account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into Fifth Third banking account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, search for Fifth Third banking account. After you do that, you will see the Fifth Third website. You can head over to this online banking login. Let's head over there. And it will directly open up the login page for Fifth Third. So here you will see it load up, and there you can see where you can type in your user ID. Type in your user ID, whatever your user ID is, and also type in your password. After you've done that, tap on login button and you'll be logged in into Fifth Third. There's also an option to register if you don't have an account. And if you've forgotten your login credentials, you can tap on forgot login. And that's basically how you can log in into your Fifth Third account. Thanks for watching guys. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and thanks for watching.